You guys, I cannot believe it is storming. It is thundering right now. And we're about to get on a plane to leave. It's kind of funny because the day that we're leaving is the day that I put out the video that we got back to Thailand. So I think there may be 3 videos between then and now, but we're on our way to the airport. So man, whew. I miss them though. You guys are not going to believe this. So my applying for a visa to get to Vietnam, you have to obviously put certain things in. You have to fill out a form, you have to apply for a visa, and somehow my visa, it asks for the expiration date of your passport, and it's a day off from what my passport says. So he has to ask his manager. They're calling immigration in Hanoi to see if it's going to be a problem because the date is a date off. I don't know how. I literally triple check, double check. This is literally like, it's happening all over again. And it's different because before I gave us 2 days to leave, and today literally we have to get stamped out today.
You have all the right people.
Yeah.
Day off, right?
Yeah. So we're here at the counter because we are paying to sit together. 420 baht, so it's not bad. But we're paying to sit together. We scanned our bags through, but we had to like switch things. Like, I don't know, you guys, what's the point in having bigger luggage if you can't even like fully stuff the luggage? You know what I mean? So, whatever. So I had to scramble, take stuff out, put in another bag. It is what it is. But our flight leaves soon, so we're cutting it kind of close. One thing about Thailand is leaving is never hard. They always stamp you out super fast. But you guys, it's almost like every time we try to leave, there's a problem. Going through TSA now. You guys, we got through TSA super fast. There's Superman. But we got through TSA super fast. But oh my gosh, I literally had PTSD from when we were here last and we were trying to get to Vietnam and we got turned away and we had to go back to Cambodia. So there was a glitch or something, so now when we get to Hanoi, I'm going to have to pay $25 at immigration in cash to fix the date, because the date of expiry, the expiration date for my passport says one thing in my passport and it's one date off in the actual visa. I don't even know, you guys. Like, we got past, we almost had to pay $200 for our checked baggage. Like, what the heck? So I was like scrambling to like get things out of one bag, get in another bag. Yeah, we usually get McDonald's. For some reason the McDonald's here is so good. So we can get McDonald's, but we should take it to go because we're gonna board soon. So crazy. Okay, so alright, we're gonna get McDonald's like we normally do and then head to our gate. We made it through. Let's see what happens when we land in. Did I tell them where we're going? I don't know if I told you guys where we're going. When we land, see what happens to immigration. So we're at McDonald's waiting for our food, but there's thunder and lightning. So I don't know. I looked at the thing and it didn't say anything next to our gate, so I don't know if our flight's gonna be delayed. I don't know if our flight's gonna be delayed or what, but I still can't believe this whole literally and we don't even know when we're gonna get stamped into this country because somehow when I did the visa, the requested end date is different for mine than it is for his. So I don't know if we're gonna get stamped in according to what I have on the visa, or are we gonna get stamped in according to being able to get 90 days in this country. It's like, can we ever just get here in peace? Japan was so smooth. So it looks like our flight might be delayed, but it doesn't look like they're telling anyone it's going to be delayed because we technically should be boarding right now, but we're going to run and get a water and then head back to the gate. So many people. So now I think we're finally boarding.
K 8892 all has been changed from gate 12 to gate 14. Thank you.
Alright, we're boarding! Finally! Oh my god, so delayed. It is literally been the longest journey to get to Vietnam. We made it! Alright guys, we finally made it to Vietnam! Woo! And guess what? I went through and he didn't even notice that the expiration date on my passport was different. So he just stamped us in. So we made it. I was waiting for nothing. Alright, first things first is, aside from our baggage, is then we have to start up our phones, our SIM card. But thank you, Lord, we didn't have to pay. Feel like a super. We made it to Vietnam. Do you guys see what I see? Oh my gosh. Do you see what I freaking see? Oh. So right when you come out the gate, we went right here to the currency exchange and we got a SIM card. So the really good thing about Vietnam is they use Grab. So if you are used to being in Thailand and having Grab, which is basically like Uber, then it's very convenient here for you. So we're gonna cross over because it says to cross over pillar 8, and then there's a pickup location right across the street. Oh, I see it. Okay. So here's the crosswalk here. So we're gonna cross here, and so when you come out, you just go directly across the street after you get your SIM card and your money exchange. Although I think she gypped us out of like $40 in the currency exchange. Probably would have been better if we went to the ATM, but it's our first time here, so these are things you gotta figure out, you know? You guys, this is seriously our apartment. There's a camera and everything. I don't know how this works. Wow. Got a little kitchen and stuff. Wow. Alright guys, I'm gonna take off my shoes. Alright, quick apartment tour. So where's the light? We have our toilet, our shower, bathroom, let me zoom out. A little table, A little kitchen, a big fridge, TV, a cute little bed. Oh, it's a cute little suite. They got our towels and stuff hanging. You guys, we are on the penthouse suite. Oh my gosh. It's so high up. Can you see how high up we are? Oh my gosh. We have a washer. Ooh, can't see, it's dark. But alright guys, so we made it to Hanoi. So we're here. We'll show you more in the morning. It's dark outside, so there's not much to see. We haven't even really seen Hanoi yet because it's dark. So also, there's so much to this area and to this building, but you're not gonna be able to see it or appreciate it until the morning. So tomorrow we'll show you guys around, walk around, see Vietnam for the first time for ourselves. Super excited, really cool. We're exhausted, so we're gonna go downstairs, see what's at the store so we can have water and stuff in here, and then relax, go to bed, and then tomorrow we explore Hanoi. Alright guys, don't forget to share, like, subscribe, and I hope you enjoyed this travel day. I wasn't gonna do it because I didn't really think it was gonna be such big to do, you know, but so glad we got through immigration and I got stamped in just fine. So, alright guys, we will catch you on the next one. Say bye, Superman.
Bye, Superman.